The Galaxy Watch 8 series is shaping up to be another strong entry in Samsung's smartwatch portfolio. But if you are anticipating a major performance upgrade, you might end up slightly underwhelmed. Let's break down what Samsung has in store for its next-generation wearables, including the Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and how they compare with the already available Galaxy Watch Ultra. So, here's the scoop. Samsung isn't introducing a new chipset for the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Instead, they're retaining the same processor that powered the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra, the Exynos W1000. This processor is built on Samsung Foundry's cutting-edge 3nm process and was a notable advancement when it launched last year, though it's no longer brand new. Thanks to a firmware deep dive into the One UI 8 watch software by Android Authority, 3 fresh device code names were uncovered: Fresh 8, Fresh 8 Small, and Wise 8. These labels correspond to the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 models in 2 sizes and the Galaxy Watch Classic. What's especially revealing is that all these variants are linked to the same chip, the Exynos W1000 with the identifier S5E5535, also internally referenced as a C55535AHA. This confirms that Samsung isn't revamping the processor in this year's Galaxy Watch range. That means no entirely new chip, no added CPU cores, and no performance leap over last year's hardware. Now, before you feel too let down, it's worth noting that the Exynos W1000 was a massive leap over prior generations. It featured a 5-core CPU with 1 high-performance Cortex, a 78-core and 4 Cortex, a 55 efficiency cores, combined with the ARM Mali G68 and P2 GPU and 32 GB of internal storage at launch. The W1000 delivered significant speed improvements. We're talking 3.44x faster single-core and 3.7x faster multi-core performance compared to the Exynos W920 used in older Galaxy Watch models. So, while it's not a brand new chip, it's still highly capable. But it also means the Galaxy Watch 8 won't feel dramatically faster or smoother than the Galaxy Watch 7 or Galaxy Watch Ultra, as they share identical internals. If you're upgrading from an older Galaxy Watch like the Watch 4 or Watch 5, the difference will still be quite noticeable. But for those already using last year's models, the performance will remain largely consistent. This decision also isn't a shock if you've been tracking Samsung's patterns. The company usually reuses its Exynos smartwatch chips for 2 to 3 years before unveiling a fresh one, so this aligns with previous behavior. It's also likely a calculated move to control development expenses while ensuring reliability and software optimization across the board. Another point of interest is Samsung's clear alignment of future smartwatches with the Galaxy Watch Ultra's design language. The Watch Ultra marked a bold departure from prior styles, offering a more robust and high-end aesthetic. Based on early insights, this visual identity is poised to become the norm across all upcoming Galaxy Watches, including the Galaxy Watch 8 series. If you're upgrading from a Galaxy Watch 4 or 5, the Watch 8 lineup could still be a worthwhile investment, especially if you're drawn to the updated design, software enhancements, or improved battery life typically found in newer models. But if you already own a Galaxy Watch 7 or Ultra, the absence of a performance uplift might not provide a strong incentive to upgrade. That's it for today. Let us know in the comments. Are you planning to grab the Galaxy Watch 8, or will you wait for a future version with a real performance refresh? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates.